Hey everyone, welcome back to Knowvera English. I'm Alex.
And I'm Emma.
If you're new here, hit that subscribe button because we're making English fun, natural, and super useful, just like two friends chatting over coffee. And now food.
Exactly. Last episode, we learned how to order coffee like a real American. Today, we're leveling up with something every American does almost every single day, ordering food like a pro at a restaurant.
Oh man, this is a big one. In the US, restaurants are everywhere, from cozy diners to fast casual spots to fancy places. You don't want to just point at the menu and say, you want to sound confident, polite, and totally natural.
True. But don't worry, we're going to make it easy and fun. By the end of this episode, you'll sound like you've been eating out in America your whole life. Ready?
Let's start with the basics. First, when you walk in,
Smile and say, "Hi, table for two, please." Or, "Can we get a table for four?" That's super common.
once you're seated, the server will bring menus and say, "Hi, I'm your server today. Can I start you off with some drinks?"
Now, the fun part, the menu. Americans usually order in this order: appetizer, small starter, main course, sides, and maybe dessert.
Okay, Emma, let's go through the most popular dishes that real Americans order every single day. I'll explain each one so everyone watching really gets the picture.
Yes. First one is the classic burger. It's a beef patty on a bun with cheese, lettuce, tomato, and pickles. Super juicy and filling. The ultimate American comfort food.
Exactly. Next is pancakes, fluffy, sweet stocks served with butter and maple syrup, perfect for breakfast or brunch. Americans go crazy for them on weekends.
Then we have Caesar salad. Crisp romaine lettuce, Parmesan cheese, croutons, and creamy dressing. It's light but feels fancy. Great if you want something healthy but still tasty.
Now the pasta. Usually spaghetti or fettuccine with tomato sauce, Alfredo cream sauce, or meatballs. Rich, comforting, and you can add chicken or shrimp to make it a full meal.
Don't forget the steak. Grilled beef, often served with mashed potatoes or veggies on the side. You can ask for it medium rare, pink inside, or well done, fully cooked. It's a classic dinner choice.
And last but not least, tacos or burritos. Mexican-inspired but super popular in America. Corn or flour tortillas filled with meat, beans, cheese, and salsa. Quick, delicious, and fun to eat. You'll see them everywhere.
See? Now you know exactly what each dish is and when people usually order it. That way you won't feel lost when the server asks what you like.
And don't forget the customizations. Americans love making their food exactly how they want it. You'll hear no onions, extra cheese, gluten-free bun, on the side instead of on the dish, spicy or mild, sub fries for salad. Here's how a real order sounds. Listen carefully.
Hi, can I get the cheeseburger with no onions, extra pickles, and fries on the side, please?
Absolutely. How would you like that cooked?
Medium, please.
Great. Anything to drink?
Just water, thanks.
See? Short, clear, and polite. You say hi, then your full order, then please. Super easy.
Now, let's do a full role play together so you can hear it flow naturally. Alex, you're the customer this time.
Hey there. Good evening. I'd like the grilled chicken pasta with Alfredo sauce, extra garlic bread, and a side Caesar salad.
Wonderful choice. Would you like any appetizers to start?
Yes, please. Can I get the buffalo wings?
Of course, that'll be right out.
Thanks so much.
Perfect. Notice how we added good evening and thanks so much. That little extra politeness makes you sound like a local.
Quick tip from me, if you're nervous, you can always say, "I'd like the," or "Could I please have?" It feels more natural than just pointing.
Okay, your turn. Pause the video right now and practice out loud with us. Imagine you're at the table. Say, "Hi, can I get the pancakes with extra syrup and bacon on the side, please?" Go ahead. We'll wait.
Awesome job. You're already sounding like a pro.
One last thing. When the bill comes, say, "Thank you," or "That was delicious." If you want the check, just say, "Can I get the check, please?"
If you want to take it even further, you can ask questions like, "What do you recommend today?" or "Is this dish spicy?"
You've got this.
All right, everyone, that's how you order food like a pro at any American restaurant. Next episode, we're going to learn how to make small talk like a real local, because after ordering, you'll probably want to chat.
If you enjoyed today's episode, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new lesson.
We love reading your comments too. Tell us what your favorite American food is.
See you next time.
Keep smiling, keep practicing, and keep speaking English.
Bye, everyone.
Bye!